Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use tracking feature on InShot application. Okay, here I have opened my InShot application on my phone, and here I have created a project as well on my InShot application. And if you want to use the tracking feature, you have to add emoji. We're going to use emoji to track an object. So for example, we're going to track this moving object. Okay, then first of all, you can add emoji to your video. Tap on the sticker button, and then we're going to click on sticker, and I'm going to add emoji, for example, this one. Okay, and after we have selected the emoji, we can click on the check mark button, and we can place the emoji to the part of the video that we want. And I'm going to place it right here. Okay, then I'm going to adjust the length. I'm going to extend it. Okay, and we can scroll all the way to the right until we find the tracking option or the tracking feature. Then you can click on this tracking feature. Then you can select the type of the tracking, and I'm gonna go with this one. Okay, and then you can place the circle to the object you want to track. Okay, I'm going to make it smaller like this, and for the emoji, I think I want to move it right here. Okay, then after you're done, you can click on start tracking, and you have to wait until the process completed. Okay, and now the tracking completed, and I'm going to show you the final result. I'm going to play the video. Okay, like this. Alright guys, and that's how we can use tracking feature on InShot application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.